Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of EV Source for all things EVs and technology. Here are the topics for today's show. Tesla has begun the construction of a new Gigafactory in Berlin, dubbed as Giga Berlin, and the facility will feature a very advanced paint shop that will provide multi-layered paints for Model Y. And Europe is now becoming the forefront of EV revolution, with EV sales growing very rapidly and with various companies expanding their battery output. Hello everyone, my name is Harry and I'm your host for today's dose of EVs and technology. Without further ado, let's jump right in. EVs and batteries in Europe. As the world continues transitioning to a more sustainable and electric future, some companies are still sleeping behind the wheel, and that may soon lead to their demise. Currently, Asia still dominates the EV battery production, with the US holding a good solid second place. But Europe is on the rise, where EV sales are growing faster than anywhere else. Audi, BASF, Tesla, Microvast, and Volvo are expanding their battery plants in Europe, almost doubling their current battery output. For instance, LG Chem will go from 35 GWh to 65 GWh at its plant in Wrocław, Poland. I hope I didn't torture that too much. This news comes after European Investment Bank announced a 480 million euro loan to LG Chem. That's about $527 million US. And according to some reports, Audi is planning an assembly plant for electric car battery packs near its plant in Ingolstadt, Germany. The battery cells will come from LG Chem. Audi is known to use cells from both LG Chem and Samsung SDI. Volvo has also stepped up its game by opening a brand new EV battery assembly line at its Belgian manufacturing plant in Ghent. This is where Volvo will start manufacturing the XC40 Recharge later this year. We will keep a close eye on these plants as time goes on and bring you more updates in our future videos. Giga Berlin. Tesla has now finished clearing the trees at Giga Berlin. The site used to be a forest of planted trees, and Tesla has now finished phase 1 of clearing the forest, and they did that just in time. Had they not finished phase 1 by the end of March, they would have been set back by several months. This is because the mating season begins for birds, and trees are not allowed to be cut until birds have left their nests. Tesla is on a tight deadline to get the factory up and running by mid-2021, and a delay of several months would ruin that schedule. And the birds would not have been happy either. In fact, we'd probably have angry birds. Get it? Angry birds? And for those who think cutting down so many trees is not good for the environment, Tesla plans to plant 3 times as many trees as they cut down for the factory site. Take that, you tree huggers. No, but seriously, good on you, Tesla. Now we just have to wait for them to put those words into action. The total area of phase 1 is about 90 hectares. Tesla has an additional 63 hectares to clear in phase 1B, which will happen at a later date. We don't know exactly when, but my guess is it will happen after the birds have left their nests. After all, taking care of the nature and the environment is our responsibility, right? For now, Tesla has enough room to build the first of 4 buildings and an employee parking and access roads around the building. Phase 1B covers access roads and a rail yard for shipping cars. Other facilities, including a building for cell manufacturing, will be handled later. There's still a lot of work to be done at the site though before Tesla can begin with the first building. There's a large pile of rubble and many tree stumps that have to be cleared before Tesla can put up a factory there. However, the site won't be just for building batteries, powertrains, and cars, but also for a possible design and engineering center. We will talk more on that in an upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified. I'll also put a link in this video once that one is out. Also, a huge thanks to Tesla Kid for the stunning drone shots of the Giga Berlin site. Show him some love and support by visiting his channel. The link is in the description below. Tesla's most advanced paint shop. Tesla will introduce new multi-layered paints for Model Y at Giga Berlin. According to Musk, quote, Giga Berlin will have the world's most advanced paint shop with more layers of stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. This is a very nice and welcomed upgrade to an otherwise kind of dull and simple paint. Although Model Y will be the first Tesla to have the new colors, Musk mentioned the colors will make it to other vehicles, but it can take a while. Quote, to be clear, Fremont and Shanghai will also be upgraded over time, but it's hard to retrofit these improvements to an operating paint shop. Final thoughts. Tesla's speed of progress has never stopped amazing me. It's incredible how fast their pace is. The Shanghai factory is a great example of this, which was finished in a record time of just 12 months. That's incredible. What do you think about the new paint shop? Are you looking forward to seeing how the colors will look? Let me know what you think in a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about this. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button if you liked the video. It only takes a second, but it helps more than you think. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with new content every Thursdays and Sundays. I hope you have an excellent day, and let's keep charging ahead, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.